Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this all-wheel drive 2019 Toyota CHR XL. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 35 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 15, and this is a one-owner car having covered just over 7,000 miles. This particular colour is the pure white, and as you can see, looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the XL, you get a high level of features. So first of all, you have the leather seats there, which are heated in the front, and as you can see, in great condition. Onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Opening the rear doors with this clever handle that's tucked away. You have a good wide door opening there with lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Toyota too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you have a tiny bit of extra storage and also your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the diamond cut alloy wheels, which I think look really smart, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.